Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. Today we prepared an amazing episode full of all sorts of road moments caught on Biker's camera. Sit back and enjoy in this one. Biker was a bit late in noticing that the traffic in front of him came to a full stop. He managed to realize what was going on in the last possible moment as he slammed his brakes and swerved around the pickup truck. Trying to change lanes immediately after you indicate is a big no-no. Side mirrors are for a reason on your vehicle, and indicating does not give you the right of way.
Are you kidding me? Oh, I wish I knew where the horn was.
Biker noticed a driver on his phone at the traffic lights, and he didn't hesitate to let him know that he should put his phone down. It's really funny how most of the drivers give a typical excuse whenever a biker confronts them about it. Check out what this guy had to say.
You're not supposed to be on the phone. You cause an accident, especially bikes and things like that, and if you don't see him because you're not concentrating.
I'm a rider as well, but I'm also
You should know better. You should know better.
It's a red light and I'm working, alright? I'm a rider as well. I can't respect you.
You should use Bluetooth. I'm sure you got Bluetooth in that nice car, so
You're all good, man. I'm not angry.
just saying, just saying.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What was that? What was that? The speed limit in this area is 30 km per hour, and the biker checked his blind spot twice and indicated before making a turn. However, this crazy driver still blamed him for this close call. Some drivers will never know when to admit their fault, and this video is just a proof.
Hast du mich nicht gesehen, oder was?
Driver definitely saw the biker on the road, and he knew all too well that the biker had the right of way. So why? Why pull out like that?
Oye, fíjate, vaya la...
Bus driver didn't notice a biker, or maybe he was purposely being reckless. Whatever the reason, I was really disappointed in him, because bus drivers are supposed to be professionals. Driver pulled an illegal U-turn right in front of the biker. He didn't bother looking at his mirrors for the oncoming traffic at all. Driving like this will eventually lead someone getting hurt.
Hey!
Hey yo, Jim, man, won't you kick some of that? You know how you do.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to.
Why? 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 Why?
Driver in front of the biker changed lanes without even bothering to look at his mirrors or indicate. Luckily, the biker was keeping a safe distance. You know what I say? No crosswalk, no problem. Well, at least that's something that applies to this lady. She's unbelievable. It doesn't matter where you want to turn, left or right. The important thing would be to use your indicators, my man. Despite the two officers being at the intersection and regulating traffic, this guy still found a way to run a red light. This is why texting and driving is so dangerous, guys. This driver here didn't pay attention at the roadworks up ahead the road, and he nearly crashed.
He's in a hurry.
Traffic lights mean nothing to this crazy driver. Apparently, he knows it all, even better than the law.
What a lemming, going round the corner on the wrong side of the road.
Biker lost control of his bike and he crashed at the corner. Luckily, he was wearing his safety gear, and that prevented him from suffering any major injuries. Cyclist was just out enjoying himself, but he got rear-ended at the traffic lights. Luckily, the impact was not so strong, but people should really be paying more attention at the road signs and traffic lights in general.
It's a red light, mate.
Alright, buddy.
If the guy jumps the lights, it's not my fault.
Where you were going?
Yeah, I tend to respect the red light, not the bus driver, clearly.
Later.
Round 1. Fight. Round 2. Fight.
Biker came across a heated road rage incident. Some guys were fighting against an elderly gentleman, and unfortunately we don't know the cause behind it. But it's really not a solution to anything. In some countries, where there's a great deal of corruption and poverty, things like this can be overlooked, but it still doesn't make it okay.
Round 3. Fight.
झूठ गया.
Round 4. Fight.
मार मत.
Final round. Fight.
मार मत, उसको खाली पकड़ के लेके जा. गाड़ी चलाना भाई, इतना अरे मेरा भाई नहीं है. अरे नहीं मेरा भाई, अरे मेरा भाई नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसको खाली लेके जाओ, मारो मत. मेरी गाड़ी मारून टाकेन. नहीं 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 नहीं, पुलिस वाला नहीं है तू भाई, मार मत इसको. हमको लगा ये भी जाएगा और गया ये पिया है भाई, पिया है. इसको लेके जाओ, इसको लेके जाओ, ये पिया है.
The fighting eventually stopped, and from the looks of it, the old guy was not seriously injured. They stayed at the scene for quite a while, debating about who was right and who not.
नहीं नहीं, शाइन रहेगा इसका. शाइन है इसका, शाइन है. तुम्हारा मोबाइल किधर है? मोबाइल किधर है तुम्हारा?
With this crazy road rage situation, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you can? Don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, because it really helps this channel grow. Until the next one, ride safe and take care.